Perdana Menteri Inggris yang baru terpilih, Keir Starmer, memberi pengarahan kepada media pada hari pertamanya menjabat, dengan mengatakan bahwa pemerintahannya akan memerintah seluruh negeri, dan akan memberikan perubahan secepat yang kami bisa. Berbicara kepada media setelah Partai Buruh yang dipimpinnya meraih kemenangan telak dalam pemilu, mengakhiri 14 tahun kekuasaan konservatif, Starmer memperingatkan bahwa, yang tidak dapat saya bayangkan adalah bahwa kita dapat memperbaiki segalanya dalam semalam.
Of country first, party second. That's not a slogan. That is the test for all of our decisions. So when on change, the work has started, and we will deliver change as quickly as we can, and that will include change, within the early months and years of the government. It won't be a question of simply saying nothing's going to change until towards the end of the first term, but different change will be delivered at different speeds, inevitably. What I can't pretend is that we can fix everything overnight. The obvious example, but it's tough because if you work in the NHS, you're putting a huge amount in difficult circumstances. It's unrelenting. But we have to be honest about this. It's broken, and our job now is not just to say who broke it, the last government, but to get on and start to fix it, which is what we will be doing, and Wes Streeting has already started on that work. Thank you. And then Mikey Smith, people who didn't vote for us need to know that we will serve them, that we will not turn our back on people just because we don't think they voted for us. We'll govern for the whole country, and that's what I meant by what I said. First question, I'm really proud of the fact that my cabinet reflects the aspiration that I believe lies at the heart of our country, the aspiration that so many people have, wherever they started from, to make a journey in life for themselves, for their families, their communities, and ultimately for their country. And I said that at the cabinet meeting this morning, that I'm proud of the fact that we have people around that cabinet table who didn't have the easiest of starts in life, but to see them sitting in the cabinet this morning was a proud moment for me and for this changed Labour Party, and a reinforcement of my belief in that aspiration, which is a value that I use to help me make decisions. It's an anchor for me. In relation to future, as to finding my way around, I've got a basic understanding of the rooms I've used so far here, and that's good, but there are plenty of hidden places I'm yet to discover. And no, we're not unpacked quite yet, but we will be soon, and we'll be moving in soon. But there's a bit of work to do before then. And of course, I'm off to Washington on Tuesday. Thank you. And Washington will be an opportunity for me to have further discussions with some of the leaders I've already spoken to, and some that I'm due to speak to. It is, of course, an important summit on NATO. It is, for me, to be absolutely clear that the first duty of my government is security and defence, to make clear our unshakable support of NATO, and, of course, to reiterate, as I did to President Zelensky yesterday, the support that we will have in this country and with our allies towards Ukraine.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.